Hey guys, MrRandom here with Sharky, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. And we are in lobby now.
Yeah. Let's get into it. Oh, sword. Okay.
Oh, it's like that.
Ah!
It's like that one game with the chicken.
Yeah. Oh god.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah, it's kind of easy.
That was easy. Come
Bro,
on,
my game
Ollie.
just froze.
Come on, no.
Well, my game just froze at the very end.
Oh no.
Stupid.
You nearly learned how to cross the road.
So what is it gonna be next?
Oh, that's happening.
That was easy. Oof. I did not know I would do. That was fun.
Now we all know you're the master of obbies and I'm the master of sword fighting, so
Yeah.
you're winning this one. Is all I know.
Alright, I have one.
Same.
I'm gonna do it again.
Same. It's really fun.
Yeah.
I don't seem to be the obby master, but I seem to be very good at obbies.
Yay.
Oh, I just finished it again in time.
Cool. Race to the end. This is easy.
I know. Oh my god, that guy slipped me up.
It slips you yourself. Okay.
No!
And I have made it. Woo! Come on, Adam. You can do it. Come on. I believe in you.
I can't make it in 4 seconds. It ain't possible.
Green. So that's my favorite color.
My favourite colour's blue, but oh well.
Okay, fatty, you scoring blue. Ah, that's why blue dropped, because you were on it first, because you're so fat.
Oh, now you got my favourite colour.
Yeah, but if this drops, it's because you're so fat.
Haha.
You're still fat.
I am not.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not fat. I'm big boned.
Yes, you are. You indeed are fat. And I will prove it. Hey, we won that one. Alright. What do the next challenge be? Ban the button. If I had auto click on right now. They're trying to kill us when we do this. I'm just spamming RT on my controller.
Same.
It won't let me. The button has been pressed 138 times. That was good.
Yeah.
Boom! It just spooned me. Don't fall. Okay. Oh, don't worry, bro. Try not to fall. Oh, great. There's pillars. How unique. Aha, robotic junk bot. That's why you were left in the rubbish. I didn't see it. It's gone quite quick now.
I know.
Isn't it?
Faster, yeah.
Oh God. Say, can we go into there? We can't. How does it get out there? And if... My mind's frazzled. How did it?
Whee! Yeah!
Only that junk bot died and that other guy then.
I know.
Alright, what's the next one? Ah. Wait, you can go down here? Oh, wait. Ah. What?
Oh, we have to get the spheres into there.
Oh, okay. I didn't realise what we had to do then.
Oh no, we have to get in
Alright.
Martin's hole. God damn it.
I just put the red one in. Okay, I did not know what I just did. I think I'm doing it all wrong. I don't know.
No,
No, we aren't.
I did it just wrong there. I put it in the wrong team. Don't worry, Ollie, I got this. Don't worry, Ollie, I got this one.
Yeah, same.
No, I got it.
Oh God. Bro, there's someone like pussing it. There's a red guy. Who cares? Woo! Yeah, we're definitely gonna win.
You know Red Team would have had 0 if I never did an accidental score.
Yeah. Oh God. You think I can get 2 in?
I got 1.
Come on, we get this one. Yay, 5. Woohoo! Bro, that guy can't even get that one in. What? How can you not physically do that? What? He didn't know what he was doing there. Alright. What's this? What? Excuse me? Oh, you have to shoot the people.
Oh.
This like has the cat sound. I can't get these 2 people. I got them.
Bro, I can't get any.
Actually, I've got to jump, I'm pretty sure, at the same time. Ah! It's hard. Yeah, how are we meant to blum and do that?
Oh, come on, I think I got 0.
Yeah, same. Oh God, the button's hot. Extinguisher. Okay. The extinguisher.
You got the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I just got a badge. Firefighter. Yo, I'm gonna stream speedrun this.
I so dream speedrun that.
You haven't even finished it. I love it how it's playing speedrun full music.
I know.
And I have 1 first. This is one of my favorite speedrun full songs, actually, though.
Yeah, it's really good. I won.
Nice. I came first in the actual thing, though.
Yeah.
I'm just about to come second again.
I came second.
This is going to be my second lap. Yeah. Alright, that's my second lap. Obviously, I won't be able to beat all of it now, but...
No.
Ooh, I just oofed.
You got 390 points. Oh God.
Doge heads. Why do they look oily?
I know.
Oily Doge heads. What's up, man? Aw. I thought that this was Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, you have to shoot each other. I am so good at this. I used to play like this SCP game where you could shoot people. No one knew how to shoot except me. Yes. I've been in Roblox for years.
It's still a Doge head.
Oh yeah. No! 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 Do we have to hide? Like a snowball fight. Oh, the hell do we go? It's actually snowing like earlier on.
I know.
Which is actually quite funny. You're out, Adam. You are going out.
Oh, that's where we go.
Oh, Jesus God. Okay, maybe I might be out actually. Or maybe you. Oh, I just found the map. I didn't realise.
Oh, Ollie.
I just oofed at the map.
Ollie boy 7940.
What do you want? Oh.
Ollie boy 7940.
What do you want from me? This person has like an OG top on while playing Lisa Simpson's saxophone.
Lisa Simpson getting a new haircut.
Yeah.
Guys, Lisa Simpson got a new cut.
I wanna go in.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My head's now
Hey
fat.
Adam. Hey Adam. Hey, I'm fitting in your fit.
Hi, Skinny Willy.
Bro, these guys are idiots.
Bro, that was like colour block.
I know, but you played. In my life, it's a banana now. I'm a banana.
Isn't there actually a song that goes with those bananas? Oh, it's I'm a banana.
Yeah, I'm a banana. I know what it is.
Oh no, what happened? I went back to menu by accident.
Did I get it? Did I get it?
Oh. It's a banana.
Whoa, we have like baskets. What are we meant to do? We meant to steal each other's baskets or something? Oh, ducks. How was I meant to know that? I haven't got no ducks yet.
I got one duck. 2 now. 3 now.
Oh, am I gonna get this duck? What? No duck. Oh, come on, man.
I got 4 ducks.
Okay, this is actually being stupid
I
now.
got 5 ducks now. I got 5
I'm
ducks.
being stupid.
Yay!
Yeah, you survived. Alright, what's gonna be next? I have to make the biggest snowball. Okay.
Seems easy enough.
I think mine's gonna be the biggest. Mine could be the biggest. I love how I was playing Super Mario music.
I know.
Wait, DS. Yay! I won. I'm so good at this game, man. Come on, man, so good at this game.
You won last
Oh
round.
man,
Well, I
that
won
was so
last
fun.
round. Oh no! If that was me, I'd be the winner.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Remember last game we did? Video.
Oh yeah,
I full on defeated you.
you did though.
No, that was Bold Martin. It was gotta be Bold Martin or Andrew Tate or Bold Martin.
Breathe air, don't vape.
Sparkling water. No, Andrew Tate sure loves his sparkling water. Oh no! Last round and then we have to make an end. Oh no!
Yeah.
Some bombs!
Ah!
Get away from me, bombs!
Some big juicy bull bombs. Big juicy bonbons, the little biscuits.
Oh, I love them.
I don't.
I've never even had them
Eat them.
before anyway, but I just agree with you. I literally just agree with you.
I don't like them.
What even are they?
They're like little chocolate biscuit thingies.
Oh. I've never... Hey!
Ask your mum if she can go to like Aldi somewhere and pick up some bonbons.
Alright, anyways, everybody. Get here, Ollie!
Let's just play this match. What do we even have to find?
We already did
Diamond.
this one though.
Oh, someone already found it.
Alright.
Alright. What are we gonna get teleported quickly? Yeah.
Oh, well, I told you this one.
You're already on top of the thing. Oh, I already died.
Haha!
Alright. Adam, come over here.
Alright, bye-bye, everyone. We're gonna have to end this video
Bye-bye.
quick. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye!